Today we are going to be talking about the Delta bandsaw model 28275. A bandsaw can be used to cut curves, to rip wood, and to cross-cut short pieces. The most common use, however, is cutting irregular shapes. The second most common use is resawing or ripping wood into thinner slabs. A bandsaw also makes the smoothest cuts and can be used to cut materials other than wood.
The blade within a bandsaw moves downward and is rotated around 2-3 wheels. This makes it safer to use because it is constantly in a downward motion. The blades come in many different widths that are used depending on the type of cut you want to make. For example, a thinner blade would be used for a more curved cut, where a thicker blade is used for a less curved cut or ripping wood.
There are some safety precautions that you must take when using a bandsaw, or any saw. Always wear eye protection.
We don't want to be blind.
Keep your work area clean.
Things can get caught in the saw, which make it unusable.
Wear proper apparel.
Scarves, loose clothing, and jewelry can get caught in the machine.
Check for damaged parts. Keep body parts away from the blade.
We like our body parts attached to our bodies.
Don't drink and cut.
Keep your mind clean and focused.
Before making a cut, make sure that the saw is set up properly. Turn the pulley by hand to make sure that everything's working properly before turning on the power. Then, adjust the upper guide to where it is almost touching the wood. Do not touch the wood to the blade until the blade is already running. When cutting, do not speed the process. Take it slow and accurate.
When operating any saw or tool, just be aware of your surroundings.
And be safe.
Your work area clean.
Things can get sorry. Things can get caught. Things can get caught in the saw, which make it unusable.
3, 2, 1. Wear proper apparel. Wear proper apparel.
Scarves, clothing, and scarves, loose clothing, and jewelry can get caught in the machine, which makes it